over bright, but I don't think we're going to get any better anywhere else. I mean, it sounds clever, but my brain doesn't actually think of it. Oh, I look like a ghost. I'm sure I faked hand. Anyway, hello, welcome back to Hely Handmade. Today I'm going to be tie-dyeing black t-shirt, this one that I am wearing. I got from Primark, £2.50. It's nice and long. But as there's been a trend going around lately where lots of people are tie-dyeing their t-shirts because of obviously quarantine and everything that's been going on. So I just wanted to sort of start a little series of the different crafts that people have been on about and all sorts, and what I've seen everywhere. So that was the reason I was going to tie-dye. Today I'm just doing it with the bleach, but what I would love to do once I've seen sort of how it comes out with the bleach is maybe dye it another colour that's probably bright as well, so whether it's like a turquoise or purple to match this, we shall see. But yeah, so I'll show you the full t-shirt. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. I've moved room temporarily, but it's very bright, so I'm trying to find somewhere that's not over bright, but I don't think we're going to get any better anywhere else, so see you in a minute. Oh my god, I really look like I'm ill. Anyway, so this is the top. Probably not able to see very well, but it's quite a long baggy top, which I love. I always buy a couple sizes extra. I kind of like my tops to be quite baggy. So yeah, this is the one we are using. Oh, I thought there was something on here, but I think it's the lamp. That was good. Right, so first thing I'm going to do is get this top off because it's the one that's going to be tie-dyed. But I will move this all into the bathroom and I'll see you in a second.
Hey, Daddy. No, I love the sleeping kitty. That one.
And then there's another one. Please excuse all of the mess. We are moving.
Hello, baby.
Oh, we've got two very sleepy kitties. Let's hope they stay that way.
Loves you.
Zoe's helping us tie-dye. Anyway, so you will want your t-shirt and also any elastic bands. Oh, and of course bleach. It's not really going to work if you're going to bleach tie-dye without the bleach. Obviously, depending on how you scrunch it up, comes to different colours, different patterns. So I believe if you wanted it to be sort of like in a spiral effect, you can put it sort of tube it. So if you make it, you roll it all up and tube it through, it should come that way from what I read, but I don't see how that works. I kind of like the messy wherever it is. So for my t-shirt, I'm literally going to screw it up into a ball. Hold on, actually, fold it up and then put on as many elastic bands as you want, because this will hold your colour, so it'll stop in certain areas. Obviously any creases that you've got within it, they may not go as bright as you want them to, but they will do something at least. They will usually, you'll have different shades and different colours depending on whereabouts you've actually sort of put it. I'm going to put quite a few elastic bands on because I'm hoping it'll come out quite a nice pattern. Let's have a look. I want it to be as weird and as mad as possible. Then it goes with my personality. That's going to be it for now. So it's a nice little parcel. That's going to get cut off later. So all I have to do next, got my bucket, shove it in, and then pour the bleach on. Do it gently. Really, you should probably do this with gloves on, but I've just turned it over on a bit that didn't have bleach on, just so I can put the bleach on the other side so it gets through both bits. hopefully. We shall see what happens. But we leave that now for 8 to 10 minutes just to see how it goes. Any longer, then generally the fabric will start to break down and you can actually have it sort of, well, you'll find that you'll get a lot of holes within it if you leave it any longer than 8 to 10 minutes. Obviously that also depends on the thickness of the item you're tie-dyeing. These are quite thin t-shirts and this one is exactly the same as that one, it's just a different colour. So hopefully we'll see something, see what it's done hopefully we will see what it's done in about 8-10 minutes, see how it's looking, and then we'll give it a wash, dry, and then try on. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll wash, dry and try on afterwards. Right, see you in a little bit. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's been, well, that it's done anything at the moment. I'm just going to pull it by this bit because I know it's not got bleach on. I mean, it's got some colour coming from it, but it's not as much as I would like yet. So I think I might let it sit just a tiny bit longer and see what we get from it.
Hello, boy. Oh, that's a big yawn. You tired? Yeah. Okay.
Whilst I'm waiting for that, I'm having cake. Like, not the entire. I mean, I probably will by the end of the day. But I've got some exercising to do, so I don't think one slice of cake's gonna hurt. I am doing a 30-day video on like exercise routines and seeing if I do lose anything from it. See, every time I cut cake, I always think that's a small piece. Apparently, it's not. It's a bit of a chunk, but I don't mind. I'm gonna eat it. I'll see you on the next check-in of the tie-dye. So I went back to check on it. It just looks like it's turned back to black. I don't know. I think the 8 to 10 minutes rule does not quite work because it's not changed. I mean, earlier it looked like it is changing colour. I don't know if it's just me being blind, but I cannot see any changes now. It's most likely me being blind. I'm gonna wash it soon. I'm just gonna eat my cake first because, you know, cake. I can't be bothered to wait any longer, so I'm gonna see how it goes. Oh, I don't know. I love the smell of bleach. It smells so clean. Right, I think it might get a bit loud. Hold on. Yeah, I can see some of the dye has come off, so it's just a case of sort of rinsing it out. I just find it easier to do it with a jug. You can control where you want the bleach to come off. But obviously if it didn't work, we can always do it again. It's not a big problem when it comes to this sort of thing. It's just a bubbly. I'm intrigued to see. Hold on, wait. Yeah. So I'm intrigued to see what it actually looks like. It would help if I'm not putting other noises on when I talk. Then other people can understand me. I mean, it sounds clever, but my brain doesn't actually think of it. I am intrigued, but it honestly doesn't look like it before. The first check-in looked like loads of it had been done, and now it doesn't look like at all. It looks like it's gone back to black, so I'm not 100% sure what's going on. I would do this with gloves. I'm being a bit stupid because I don't bother to put mine on. To be fair, mine are in a bag that I've put in the car for cleaning the new place, but that's not happening. So, at least not today. Honestly, looks like nothing's been done to it. So I don't understand. I really don't understand. Alright, let's water it again. There is no difference! Right, I would have expected on a black top to be able to see some sort of drastic difference, but I'm not seeing anything. It's coming out with like an orangey colour. Hello, Demi. No, that's my cake. Debbie. Debbie. I will shut you out of this room. No, you're not eating my cake. Mommy doesn't share food. Oh, don't move my camera. So safety next to me. No, I wouldn't sniff or lick my finger, Demi. Yeah, I know you would eat and sniff and drink everything because you is feral, but you're not doing it, Shiloh. You're not doing it. What's going on? You helping me tie-dye? No, right. You're going this way. Boop, 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 boop. Right, back to what we're doing. Okay, it's starting to look a little bit lighter now, but nothing like what I was expecting. Like Jenna Marbles' black top came out looking amazing. I want it like that. I'm going to keep trying to just wash it out. I'm going to fill this up with water, I think, and just try and get it all through. Sometimes it works. I know in your bleach cups, if you put bleach in with hot water, it straight away takes all the dirt off. So maybe it's a bit like that when it comes to tops as well. Like, it's obviously done something, but I don't quite know what it's done. Right, so that's the water. Is that an orange sort of colour? I don't know if it shows that well on here. Yeah, it's like a really weird orange colour. So obviously some of the dyes come off of it to be able to do something. So I don't know whether just to sort of make sure all the bleach is out, and then I think what I'll do is probably put some conditioner with it just to soften it again, and then I'll dry it and see what happens, because I don't know. I'm hoping it would look nice, but to me that doesn't have any bleach patches on it. I've done this before and it's never ended up like this. So I don't know whether it's the top. I wouldn't have thought it would be the top, and I wouldn't have thought it would be the bleach. So I think it's going to be a few goes of trial and error and see what happens. Alright, go back in a minute. We are trying it again. So hopefully this time it works, and I will keep you updated. Alright, bye. A whole load. Yeah, sorry. So I just filmed a whole load and realised that I didn't actually record anything, and that I actually just took a picture. So, as I was saying, because you didn't know, I've added water now to it. I've found that a couple of sites have actually sort of suggested that you add water into the actual item as well. So I've put that for the time being to see what happens. But I've run out of bleach now until Tesco's comes tonight, because I've got some more ordered in that. But hopefully something will happen with this, because I'm getting a bit bored now. I didn't think this would be a very long video. Now I think it is going to be like 10 minutes plus. Sorry. I don't think it still hasn't done anything, and I've got to go out now. And we've been doing this for about an hour. So what I've done, I've rinsed out the bleach so far, and because I've got to go out, I've put it into a bowl of hot water, and I've put it in with some comfort, just to try and stop it from, well, being destroyed or anything. But I mean, there is some bits where the colours, well, you won't be able to see it. Like this bit here has got a little bit coming off, but it just looks black on camera. It does have a little bit of a pinky tinge. And I know dye is coming off because, well, the water's already gone yellowy. Dye's obviously being removed, but I'm just letting it hand wash and let it soak. I think we're going to have another go later this evening. So that's going to be the best bet. So I'll see you in a bit. So that's what we've ended up with so far. It's still drying, but it's not as bright as I want. So I'm going to do it again, just not today. So I'm going to do a second part of this video. And I've bought 2 purple tops, different colours, which I'm going to try and tie down as well. Looks a bit rusty. Oh well.